What's happening, guys? I'm Aiden for DK Tuned. Today's video is on this beautiful Audi S1. What a great platform this car is. So it's a 2-litre turbo, 240 brake standard normally. And then we're going stage 2 on it. We're having a gold map, so we're putting the stage 2 on it. We're getting the intercooler, AirTech intercooler, Scorpion downpipe as well. Oh, absolutely sick build. So we're going to take it out for a couple of runs, do the dyno before, and then put all the stuff on, and then take it out again, and then we'll show you what it's making at the end. So an exciting build, so let's get on with it. So just before we do take it out on the before dyno, before we do all the work, it has actually got an APR air intake, carbon air intake, some Revo pipes on it as well. Some really nice intakes on this, and it's got pop and bang on it as well, so I'm guessing it's probably got a stage 1 already, but we will find that out on the dyno and see what it's making. So we're just going out with Shane, obviously, to do the before dyno on the car. And I just got to say, like, before we actually do anything in the car, I absolutely love these cars. What a setup these are. So actual full-on Quattro system on this tiny little car, 240 brake out of the 2-litre turbo. They map up well, you know that they map up well anyway. Everything about these cars is proper, like, built around her fast little hot hatch. Brilliant little car. Oh, that sounds dirty. As you can hear in the background, it's popping and banging loads, so that's what makes us think that it's probably not stock map. I'm not sure what brake horsepower it feels like. It doesn't feel like that much more than stock.
Weak stage one, if anything.
Yeah.
Weak stage one.
So as you can see from the sheet in front of us, it made 261 brake horsepower. So around about right for what we thought that it was making. It looks like it's either got a really weak stage 1 on it, because it should go up to about 300 brake horsepower on a stage 1. Either that, or it's just making a little bit more than standard on the standard map as well. It has got the new air intake. It sounds slightly louder. It might have a res delete or something. We're just going to go on the ramp now and have a look, and then we're going to start work on the intercooler and the new downpipe as well. So as you can see behind me, the front mount Forge intercooler is now on the little Audi S1. Now we're going to put everything back onto the front end because we had to take everything off, the bumper, the crash bar, everything. And now all that's going to go back onto the car. Then we're going to take the airbox off, and then we're going to put the new pipe on and sort the exhaust out as well. So as you can see, the old pipe is out of the S1 and the new pipe is next to it. It hasn't got a cat, and it's also a bigger inch pipe as well, so less restriction. So it's going to sound really good and be quite a bit faster when everything's all put on to the stage 2. So we're just out in the S1 now, all the work is complete. Just doing some data log runs, and then we're going to put the map on and then dyno it afterwards.
Proper aggressive and then still.
So the Audi S1 is done, and what an absolute weapon it was. The customer came to collect the car, so obviously you're joining me in the office now. So it made 315 brake horsepower on the after dyno and 466 newton meters of torque, which is massive gains, and as I say, it was an absolute animal. So if you want your car like him, tuning up, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and please also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you soon.